It's normal for a new iPhone to become warmer during setup while it's downloading apps, restoring data, and indexing files. If your iPhone 17 Pro feels hot after setting it up, don't panic. If the phone gets unusually hot, unplug it. So you want to unplug the charger and let it cool for a few minutes. That's pretty common. If you're using a thick case, remove it temporarily while it's charging. So these cases are really thick actually, and then they will heat up the phone, especially the first couple of days while it's like kind of downloading things in the background. One thing you can do is actually go into settings, then go into battery. And for charging, we're going to scroll down and we see if there's any unusual activity up here, but then we can go to charging right here. And I recommend actually if you're at home to go down to even 90 or 95. And this will help not overload the iPhone battery. Turn on this optimized battery charging as well. All right, well, finally, I'm going to say make sure that you're on the latest iOS because sometimes there are glitches. And with a new phone or iPhone, you could be glitching and there might be some issues. So they usually fix these bugs in the new iOS. You don't want the newest one, like right now, iOS 27, it's still glitching and has bugs, so that people are working on that. So what you're going to want to do is go into settings, and then we're going to want to go into general. We're going to go into software update, and then we're just going to see if we're up to date on the newest software. Should be iOS 26.62. Let's see. So sometimes it takes a little time. You might want to have automatic updates on, but that's considering if you are charging every day at home. If you're on a trip, it's not convenient, then you might want to turn that off. This is taking a little bit long. And so this popped up and we are not on up to date, and that might be causing problems as well. So if you're not, then you can go ahead and click update now. It will take some time. Sometimes it depends on your Wi-Fi connection. It could take just 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or it could take longer. And once you start, it's kind of hard to stop. Otherwise, you can just push update tonight. So when you're sleeping, it can update for you. All right, guys. So I hope this video helps, and hope you have a healthy battery the rest of your life and your iPhone 17 Pro life. And see you next time. Please like, subscribe, or comment. Bye-bye.